Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 11.1.10 and we're going to view log files. So you are an IT manager. One of your job duties is monitoring system logs for the Linux systems on your network. So the journal ID service is collecting and storing system log data. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to display the kernel message log from the current boot, display the core system log in reverse order with the newest entries. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. So I guess we go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video access to our one-on-one guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide variety of educational video material to help you in your educational journey. Alright, so this lab is loaded. We'll go ahead and open the terminal, and then from the first task we are going to type in journal ctl space -k, then you press enter, and then let's see, type in journal ctl space -r, and then you press enter. Alright, so let's see if okay, so we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, you also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.